You are a legend as far as Bollywood reporting or Hindi film industry reporting is concerned. You've been covering since the late 70s, written books on it. In the past 45 years that you have been doing reporting, how much has changed since the days you started to today?
Everything has changed. But when you are at the cusp of change and when you are in the process of change, you don't find it unsettling. In journalism, we used to have one typewriter and one typist, and all of us used to write long handwritings. When we used to go on the sets, we used to carry big tape recorders and most of the time just take notes. After that, it was all done, the artwork was done physically, and then they went for processing, then it went for printing, and then the magazine came out. On the sets, there was just one guard at the studio outside, and from your shakal, he could make out, because I was in college, I used to go straight from college to the studios, and he used to say, किससे मिलना है? And I would say, मैं जर्नलिस्ट हूँ. और कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता था. किसी मेकअप रूम के बाहर कोई बॉडीगार्ड नहीं होता था. आप किसी के भी मेकअप रूम के बाहर नॉक करके उनको मिल सकते थे, फिर वो अमिताभ बच्चन हो, रेखा हो, या कोई भी. और if they had the time and they were not called on the sets, everybody gave you interviews. We went to studios, we went to dubbing studios, we went to outdoor locations, we went for premieres, we went for parties, and everything was so personalized. Dev Saab used to call up personally and say, Bhavna, I'll see you at the party. And he would be there first, unlike Aaj Ke stars, who will come for their own party last.
And only after the paparazzi has already come at the gates.
And there was nothing like paparazzi. There were a handful of newspapers and a handful of magazines, and everybody knew everybody by name, and everybody knew what was going to be on your cover, my rival magazine, and nobody was friends with the rival magazine. We were united. Aaj the whole film tribe, media tribe is one. It was not like that. We just kept to our papers. And those days, the trade journals were completely not in our territory, and we were not in their territory. The trade journals, there were just two: Film Information and Trade Guide. And then later on, Box Office came and something else came. They had different rules, different life, different parameters. We didn't cross their territories, they didn't cross our territories. They interacted with exhibitors, distributors,
producers,
filmmakers.
filmmakers.
And we were more into stars, whether they were newcomers or whether they were veteran stars or they were the current stars. So,
and now it's all AI and
no, now it is when the film is getting released, there is promotion interviews.
Oh my
So
God.
when you're doing the
Don't talk
promotion
about it.
interviews, it's like there are tables and there is the PR manager. They come with 9 managers. Hair manager, clothes manager, business manager, image consultant. And they do isharas. कि अभी बहुत हो गया. And they speak only what they want to speak. Whereas in our time, we were more friendly to each star individually than the stars were to each other. And there are so many things, Smita, as a woman, you'll understand. These are girls who have not been to college. So they were fascinated with our lives. कि कॉलेज में जाते हो, आपके दोस्त होते हो, आप पढ़ते हो, फिर आप ट्रेन लेकर ऐसे हमको मिलने आते हो. And there are so many things that they're going through which you can't tell your mother. You can't tell your hairdresser, which they used to tell us. And it's all here in the heart. Nobody told you that this is off record and this is on record. You came from that kind of a family, that kind of values and tradition, that you would not betray your own sister or your aunt. You didn't betray them. It was just so organic.
You just knew ये छाप सकते ये नहीं छाप सकते.
और कभी कभी क्या
वो
होता
gut instinct से होता.
विद दैट इंस्टिंक्ट. कभी कभी क्या होता था कि एडिटर को, तब तो एडिटर थे हमारे, तो एडिटर को पता होता था कि भावना की दोस्ती फलाना एक्ट्रेस के साथ बहुत क्लोज है, तो सपोज दैट एक्ट्रेस गॉट मैरिड ओवरनाइट, तो ही विल से कि यू डिडंट नो दैट शी वाज गेटिंग मैरिड. सो आई वुड श्रग माय शोल्डर एंड से I used to just open my eyes and roll my eyes when I didn't want to say anything. तो it's my prerogative that मैं कितनी बात करूँगी ऑफिस में, कितनी नहीं करूँगी. वो मेरे साथ किस तरह की लॉयल्टी दिखाए उससे मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. ये मेरा कैरेक्टर है.
किसकी शादी आपने रिपोर्ट नहीं की जिसके लिए आपको पुल अप किया गया? अब तो बता सकती हैं आप.
शबाना आज़मी.
हाँ, ओके. वो तो अनु कपूर ने
अनु
यहाँ
कपूर
पे
अभी
बताया.
इतने सालों के बाद ना, क्योंकि अनु कपूर वहाँ बहुत
या
होते थे उस वक्त. तो इस तरह के कुछ भी और भी थे.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.